I'm Commodore Shiv Tiwari, a veteran from the Navy. I spent about 27 years in the Navy in special operations, maritime domain of the Navy. I thereafter moved on to entrepreneurship and started our own company with another very close colleague of mine, and we are presently founders of Arista, a technology and tactical integration or the solution providing company. So I spent considerable time, about, I would say almost, if you include training, about 3 decades in the Navy. And I found that in the environment that we were in, there are many challenges in terms of induction of technology to match the operational side. Principally, what happens is that as technology moves, it needs to keep pace with the tactical aspects as to how the operator is going to use that technology. And at the same time, the tactical people or the operators need to keep pace with technology and make sure that they are current and their products are current, and they are delivering and fighting challenges using the best technology available. The issues or the problem or the challenges that I see is that integration often is missing, and it's compartmentalized, and the understanding between the two sides is not always there. So principally, if we can marry that up, we'll overcome a lot of challenges, and we'll see operations being conducted in a much better fashion. Technology supports today in many ways the way the battles are going to be fought, and it is incumbent upon both sides to put their best foot forward to join hands and take it forward. That's, I would say, the principal lesson that I learned in those 3 decades before we came out into our own journey. I heard about IdeaForge somewhere, I would say, in the year 2011. I was commanding one of our premier special operations units on the Western Seaboard of India. So as I had mentioned, we were looking at ways of doing things in a new fashion, inducting technology. And what was most amazing at that point was that drones were just about finding place in the operational scenarios. And they were giving us a tremendous cutting-edge advantage over the adversaries. So having been introduced to IdeaForge, we found that it would be interesting if we sort of join hands and try and find answers to the problems that we were facing. Founders at that point were young, agile, and they were also very excited as much as we were about how we can, develop something on a project. So we decided that the best learning happens if you hit the ground and you have your boots on ground. So we decided to go together into the field, and I felt very strongly that until and unless you show the technology side as to how you operate, how are they going to ever be able to fulfill develop a product which is going to be, absolutely operationally optimized. So we had very interesting days in those times where we spent time together doing operations, simulating operations at night, on land, in different types of terrain, which I think was showing us how we can do things better, and at the same time, I'm sure, giving IdeaForge founders, as they were pioneering into this journey, ideas as to how they can apply, tweak the technology to produce much better optimized products for many use cases. I think that journey together, I think, has been both successful, I would say, from the operator's point of view, and I'm sure even from the technology developer's point of view, to have aligned their products in the market today, optimized to the requirements of various types of forces and various types of challenges. So once we started Arista, it was in 2018 that we reconnected with in the Defects Expo 2018. We met Ankit, and it was a real pleasure to see IdeaForge there and had evolved over time to become a robust entity, having been pioneers, I would say, more or less at the initial stages in India with their drones. Today they had many sales, and they had exposure to multiple paramilitary, including military forces in the country, and they had also by then, I think, made a robust structure for themselves. I think they are the most highly funded company in India today. So all those factors, it was heartening to see how the journey had moved and where IdeaForge was in 2018. And thereafter, we continued to engage, and it's till the present day, we interact, and I think we are looking at doing things together beyond just identifying places as to where the drones can apply, but also looking at opportunities where we can develop products which will suit a particular environment, which is specific to the client. I think that's the need of the hour, that every environment is different, every challenge is different, everyone's factors which are affecting them is different. So tailor making and tweaking the core technology so that the client side is got a 100% product for their use case is the need of the hour. That's how I think our relationship is building, whether it is in the Indian context or in the international context. I think that hand-holding between each other and going forward is where it's emerging, and our relationship with IdeaForge continues, as I said, with other partners in other technology also. But we I think, are going through that journey with IdeaForge in a very definitive and a methodical manner. So there are many factors which make a product robust, and it starts with how well it has been tested, what are the certifications, apart from the time of technology development, aligning it with the operational tactical sense. Military needs robust products, and they need to be used in adverse conditions, whether they are terrain related, whether they are weather related. So therefore, it is easy to put together a single prototype, but it's very difficult to make sure that all your products have certain standards and stability, which will give you that result and will not fail when you're actually in the real-time scenario or in an operation. So it takes time to reach there, and a lot of investment in it alongside with it. Apart from that, it is also the stability of a organization or a company which is doing that development to we have the backup to provide support, maybe pan-India, geographically or even internationally, with their technology, technical support, engineers, spare parts over a longer period of time. It's not like once sold that you can manage on your own. The backing of the company is very important for the product. Therefore, at the moment, we feel that IdeaForge is definitely got an advantage. So I've had a long innings with the founders when we started. All of us were nascent in our understanding about this domain. And I feel very happy to see today, as the journey is progressing and as the customers are looking at inducting technology, that the initial pioneering effort of IdeaForge is shaping up in the manner it is shaped up and where they have reached. I have my always together in this journey, and look forward to great success in the Indian as well as the international market for IdeaForge.